think I got a redfish on here right at daylight. Woo! It's been 4 days since I've been out here. He's pulling drag. Maybe a shark. He's got a lot of line out right now. So we'll see here in a minute. Maybe I can go home early today. He kind of hit as I was reeling in fairly close to me. And I threw right back at him and he got on it. Deals like that, you just gotta let them run, let them tire themselves out. Don't force them in. He's way out there. Might be a shark the way this guy's running. But I'm gonna go over here to this trough. They don't like hitting that sandbar. If I can get him guided in the right direction a little bit. We'll see. Really heavy fish. Uh-oh. Well, that's a dolphin. We'll try to get this guy in. The dolphin doesn't get him. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is a redfish. It may be my personal best redfish. Caught one right at 39 3/4 inches 2 weeks ago. First of 3 this fall. So this guy's coming in. I don't know if you can see him yet, but we're getting him close. About right where the waves break, that's where he is right now. Coming across a sandbar that they're usually not too happy about crossing. So that's where he is right now. Coming across that little sandbar. That'll protect him from the shark. I mean from the dolphin. 2 dolphins out there now. But I think this is a nice redfish the way this thing is running. We'll see. Oh. There you go, he's in that riptide right now. We're getting real close to the beach. I've got a little wave action so I can have a little help getting this rascal in. Yeah, redfish, big redfish. You don't want to horse them right here. They usually fight a little bit when they see the shoreline. This guy's definitely bull red, bigger than legal keeper size, which is 18 to 27 inches. This guy is probably up close to 40 inches again. Caught him on a topwater popper. I'll show you that in a little bit if I get him in. Being a little stubborn still. I got, I think, 30-pound test on this line. I don't want to horse him. Just want to get some wave activity to help me get him in. Here comes one.